Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set elevations. In 2D mode of your project, click on Export 2D Plans in top right corner of your screen. Now, in the top center of your screen, choose Set Elevation View. You can choose which wall you want to set for elevations. You can crop the view. And if you click in the middle of the compass, you can also move it if needed. Now save the elevation view by clicking on Save View in the top center of your screen. And when you save it, go back to Sheets. From here, you can hide items, you can add elements like compass, lines and shapes, and you can also add text to label everything out. You can use the ruler tool to add measurements. You can download it as DXF file or you can export it. When you click on Export Now, you can add floor plan title, choose the size, choose if it's landscape or portrait, and you can also add your company details. You can also add your company logo. When your elevation is ready, simply click on Download. It will be saved as a PDF file. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.